Imagine a dish that makes your taste buds dance with joy. Picture tender slices of flank steak, seared to perfection, tossed with vibrant green broccoli florets, all bathed in a savory garlicky sauce. This, dear friends, is the magic of beef and broccoli stir-fry. The journey to this culinary delight begins with a pound of flank steak. Seek out the most tender cut you can find, and then slice it thinly following the grain. This technique ensures that each piece remains tender and juicy, even after a quick trip to a hot pan. Next, turn your attention to the broccoli. Break down a whole head into bite-sized florets. They'll provide a delightful crunch and a fresh contrast to the rich steak. Now, it's time to build the flavor profile. In a separate bowl, combine minced garlic, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and a hint of grated ginger. This mixture will be the base of your sauce, and it's the secret to the deep, umami-packed flavor of the dish. Before you heat the pan, dust your steak slices with cornstarch. It might seem unusual, but this step is key. The cornstarch creates a thin crust around the steak, which not only adds a subtle crunch, but also helps thicken the sauce later on. With your ingredients prepared, it's time to fire up the stove. Heat up a couple of tablespoons of vegetable oil in a pan, and then add your steak. Sear it until it's beautifully browned, but not fully cooked. Then, remove it from the pan. In the same pan, add your broccoli. Stir-fry it until it's just tender enough, but still bright green. Then return the steak to the pan, pour over your sauce, and stir everything together. The heat will thicken the sauce, coating every piece of steak and broccoli with its savory goodness. Serve your stir-fry over a bed of fluffy, steamed rice, and there you have it. A plate of beef and broccoli stir-fry, a symphony of flavors and textures that's sure to impress. In summary, this dish is more than just a meal. It's a culinary experience, a dance of savory, sweet, and umami flavors that's as enjoyable to cook as it is to eat. So why not bring a little bit of culinary magic into your kitchen today? With this beef and broccoli stir-fry, every bite is a celebration of taste.